Hello guys, to this tutorial on how to download music and to upload it to iPhone without the use of iTunes. So what you want to do firstly, you want to go to the YouTube, and pick a song. I picked Eminem and Dr. Dre, forgot about Dre, yeah, and you select the link, you simply paste it to the other website, which is YouTube to MP3 converter. You paste it, you convert it, wait for a little bit, and you download it. Simple as that. And you wait for it and it will download now fast. And what you do now is simply go to the phone. So what you do, you simply go to the application Cloud Music, yeah, waiting for it, and you go to Wi-Fi transfer, and it gives you the link that you can paste on your website on Google. After we copy the link, we write 168.1.8 slash, and it will show the cloud music but not the application, the website for, and you simply press upload files, you go to where you saved the song, and you simply here it is,